Welcome to the Veerapaneni Infra Projects. This video showcases a construction progress update for January 2025, covering activities from January 1st to January 10th. Here's a breakdown of the milestones achieved during this period. On January 1st, centering work for the third slab began and was completed by January 5th. Meanwhile, on January 3rd, steel materials for the third slab were received, and rod bending work commenced. This was successfully completed by January 8th, along with an inspection and approval from the structural team. On January 7th, electrical and plumbing materials were received. Work on these systems began on January 8th and was completed by January 10th, following an inspection by the MEPF team. Finally, on the night of January 10th and into the early hours of January 11th, the technical engineer approved all work, and concrete pouring for the third slab commenced. This marks another step forward in our progress, showcasing efficient planning and execution. Stay tuned for more updates. In continuation of the January 2025 construction progress, Phase 2 commenced from January 11th to January 20th. Early on January 11th, the concrete work for the third slab was successfully completed. On the same day, the survey team finalized the marking for the columns, while the ground team completed centering and concrete work for the staircase columns. On January 12th, the ground force team efficiently carried out rod bending and concrete work for the staircase and columns supporting the fourth slab. By January 13th, the column centering was removed, and preparations for the curing process were initiated. From January 13th to January 20th, the curing process has been actively ongoing and remains in progress, ensuring the proper setting and durability of the structure. The team continues to maintain quality and timelines for this phase. In continuation of the construction progress for January 2025, Phase 3 of the project officially commenced on January 21st and continued through January 31st. This phase marked a critical period in the construction timeline, with several key activities taking place to ensure the project stays on track. Starting early on January 21st, the curing process was actively underway. Curing is a crucial step in construction, as it ensures the concrete achieves its desired strength and durability. This process continued uninterrupted until January 25th, ensuring that the concrete structures were properly set and ready for the next stages of work. On the same day, January 25th, the centering work team began their tasks. Centering work involves setting up the temporary framework that supports the concrete slabs during construction. The team focused on the fourth slab, meticulously preparing the centering to ensure it was perfectly aligned and secure. This work continued steadily until January 31st, when the final touches were completed, marking the successful conclusion of this phase of the project. In parallel, on January 29th, the electrical team stepped in to address a specific issue. They worked on opening the electrical trial valves that had been blocked during the concrete pouring process. This task is essential to ensure that the electrical systems are functional and integrated seamlessly into the structure. The team completed this work by January 30th, resolving the issue efficiently and ensuring no delays to the overall timeline. Throughout this phase, the construction team has remained committed to maintaining the highest standards of quality while adhering to the project timeline. Their dedication and coordination have been instrumental in keeping the project on schedule, even as they navigate complex tasks like curing, centering, and electrical integration. As we move forward, the team will continue to prioritize quality and efficiency, ensuring that each phase of the project is completed to the highest standards. The progress made during Phase 3 is a testament to the hard work and collaboration of everyone involved, and we look forward to building on this momentum in the coming weeks.